Good morning, LC people. Well, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since Dave put anything on my YouTube channel. My apologies, it's been a bit dysfunctional. Been to a few auto jumbles and collected a few bits here and there, but nothing major. I had this RDR, I say RDR, it's an rd350r, the twin headlight version that nobody seems to appreciate. Let's call it the Brazilian, but hang on a minute, it might have been built there, but a lot of things now built in different countries, but the parts are manufactured in Japan, so I don't see the problem. What's Dave been up to since I last posted? I had trouble with the master cylinder. The rear master cylinder on this bike would not bleed up. I'd stripped it, I'd gone through the seals, it looked fine, and I'd spent a considerable amount of time on it. I'd back bled it and all manner of things. It just wouldn't have it. And rather than buy pattern seals that wouldn't bloody work and fanny about, I bought a used master cylinder from a guy in Ireland, and I put it on yesterday and bled it up. Within inside 10 minutes I was overjoyed. I was starting to lose it, thinking, Dave, you should have no business working on a bike. Not the case. Sometimes these parts look good, and for whatever reason, I don't know. I've gone through pattern part seals before and just haven't worked, and the things are binded because the seal dimensions are longer, or there's some bloody problem, pattern stuff again. Anyway, enough of that. I moved away from that. I put his centre stand on it and his side stand. I cleaned up the spring and the bolts and what have you. He'd had powder coating stuff done on this bike, so my job was basically to shove it all back together. He still needs a petrol tank for this bike. The petrol tank, he'd had a go at it, it still leaks. He'd put a liner in it and it still leaks, so I'm on the hunt for one of them. I've contacted a local, well, I say local guy, a chap in the UK that supplies good quality parts, either genuine or pattern, but work. So I've got a back mud guard, hopefully he's going to source, and a few other bits and bobs that I wanted. It's okay. So moving away from that, he had one of the bar ends were bent, that one down there. I heated it up basically and I straightened him out, and he had a lick of paint. And I painted the other one at the same time, the one hanging up in here, and for whatever reason it was dull this morning and the other one was still shiny. So he's had another lick of paint. The engine looks sorry for itself now. I took the clutch cover off of it and the head and barrels to have them powder coated. He'd painted them. And to be fair, the engine on these F2s and RDRs, the cases are black anyway. They're not alley. So I'm waiting for those to come back. Ordering a gasket kit for it, seals, bearings, whatever. We've got all the bits and pieces down here. I'm just trying to get things together for it. So when the barrels are done, I'll have Newcastle seals for them and the O-rings and whatever for the power valves. But I thought I'll do the brakes and move on to the front brakes. I painted up his master cylinder there. That is not the correct one for this bike. The correct one is like elliptical. It's like a triangle shaped master cylinder for the F2s and the RDRs. This one looks like it's LC. But okay, it worked. So clean them all up, paint them all up. Now this guy's got these Triumph brake calipers on. It's a bit of an upgrade from the standard ones because they're just twin piston on the original calipers, and these are 4-pots. So rather than just put the shoes in it and hope for the best, Dave's going to take the pistons out and clean all the seals out in them. It's peace of mind, and I know that it's not going to bind when it's all bled up and goes back on. That's the offending rear master cylinder that stopped working. Oh, I couldn't bleed it up. I'm not even going to bother with that. That's where Dave's at. So yeah, I'm sorry if you think I've gone quiet on my channel. I haven't. It's I've just had other things on. I'll keep you posted about it. I'll probably do another video, maybe later on if I've got the brakes done, or tomorrow. But the weather's not looking too bad out here at the minute for towards the end of October. I might get my own bike out either today or tomorrow and have a bit of a blip round. Righto folks, thanks for watching. I will keep you posted. Dilly dilly.